now you can do the beautiful art. How the custom washing polishing. This look like this. So here you can see basically they are the tabletops. We can use like a small side table, coffee table, and they are the small trinket like a cheese board, cutting board. You can use that. And the beautiful part of that marble, little bit heavy, so we can deliver it anywhere in the world. You have nothing to pay extra any charge for the shipping. Government gives a subsidy to send anywhere in the world. So we can ship by FedEx, TNT anywhere in the world. And you can see our walk around. See the beautiful ashtray we have, small elephant with the tea lights holder we have, with some beautiful flower vases, and with some fruit balls, beautiful chessboard with the chess figures in the marble, and a small side table. You can use like a side table like this. We can provide you with a wooden stand with the light fitting and all. You can see the beautiful with the light effect. How looks Taj with the different kind of views. So here you can see the beautiful light effect in marble. See, like this one. You can see the dark. See the beautiful effect of the white marble going like this. And we assume this can like a sunrise view of the Taj Mahal. When you go Taj Mahal in the early morning, Taj Mahal look like this. And when you go Taj Mahal in a full moon, in a moonlight, Taj Mahal look totally different and very beautiful. You can see it's a full moon with the Taj Mahal with the Taj Mahal. And here you can see one the orange stone which is glowing with the light. And among the stone, they are the become a dark, become opaque. And sometimes if you put the spotlight, you can see the shell from Indian Ocean. It's sparkling like a silver and diamond. See? And when you see the real marble from the back side, you can see the crystal. And see the sparkling crystal like a small star. It's mean the same marble used in Taj Mahal. Something fake in that you can see the crystal. It is a fake quality. And sometimes you can use cheese board, or you can take a coin and try to scratch on the fake one. It's always become a scratch like a chalk. Same thing on the real marble, nothing to worry. In the same way people want to use in the kitchen like a cutting board, cheese board, you can use that. And we can give you one small stand for the display purpose also. Sometimes people want to display, they can display the piece as a piece of art like this. We can provide you both the stand, one small stand with the light fitting and all like this, and one stand for the display. So here you can see they are the beautiful tabletops for the display purpose also, and they are all different sizes, small size, bigger size, and you can see you can use it like a small side table also. And the beautiful pieces here we have with the different shape. Triangle shape, with something square shape, we have rectangle shape also we have, and that is a beautiful dining table sitting for the 8 people. Come with the marble legs, and you can see beautiful pieces for the display. And sometimes you can fix the light on the back. It's also glowing with the light, and the beautiful different sizes. We have beautiful rectangle one we have. These are all sizes for the coffee tables. In a round shape also we have the bigger sizes we have. And something with the black marble, the same marble, King of Taj Mahal, he want to make another Taj with the black marble, the same marble of that. Green marble is no porous, you can use like a side table, coffee table, anything. And then come with the stand also. See the beautiful pieces we have. There is side table, that is center table with the stands, small pieces we have, chessboard with the chess figures. See beautiful onyx chessboard we have, some small food balls. See, with the different shape. That one for the tea light holders we have. And here you can see something beautiful miniature of Taj Mahal. We have the all sizes. If you want a more bigger, so you can make a more bigger. If you want the small sizes, we have something small size of the Taj Mahal. See, beautiful stuff. And we give a space for the light. You can fix the light also. It's glowing like a Taj Mahal in a moon. And you can see beautiful. We have beautiful flower vases. Something the pure marble vases we have. Small fruit balls. We have the beautiful wine glasses. We can ending on that. Ending on that like a wine. So here you can see we have beautiful serving trays. Small plates for the display purpose we have. With a different design, different shape we have. And here you can see beautiful small light holders, beautiful serving trays in any sizes we have. And some beautiful pieces of the filigree work we have. Small tea light holders, small pen holders we have, always small, and you can see the bigger tea holders with some beautiful beer mug. You can take on that beautiful mug we have. And here you can see like a small elephants, the all sizes, different shape of the plates, tray. You can use like a small cheese board, cutting board, and you can serve in that. Nothing effect with that. Beautiful elephant for the Buddha, prosperity and happiness with that. See, beautiful gold statues. So here you can see the beautiful coastal sides. You can use a small table with a multicolor over here, and here you can see the small jewelry boxes. You can put like a small rings, earrings, like trinket boxes we have. See, so beside that with the different shape of the jewelry boxes, octagonal shape, rectangle shape, and the beautiful Taj Mahal is here. And the best part of Taj Mahal is all folding or is screwed. We can ship anywhere with the beautiful pieces like this. And here we give space for the candle. You can put the candle light. It's also glowing with the light, sir. Easy to fix. 2 holes, 2 nails. You can with all sizes. Beautiful sizes. That also folding, sir.